In this program, we will learn how to print a simple word like hello world in C programming. So for this, we need a function, and the function name is console.writeline. Console.write. We have one another function like console.write, and difference is that it will change the line and it will continuously print. Like if I want to give a message like uh, hello world, then hello world, then hello world, means I won't change the line every time. So I will go with console.writeline. And if I want continuously like hello world, hello world, hello world in single line, then we will use console.write. Okay. So let's come here and use this one. So dot write line. Hello world. Inside double inverted quotes, we can write anything. Whatever we will write here inside these inverted quotes, that will be print. Okay, so let's run this one. And we can see the output now. We need one more function, and the function name is console.readline. Console.readline will use to stop this output window. So use here console.readline. So now when we will be run this program, then the output will be so here. Okay, so if we want this thing like that, then we need to use console.writeline, or if we want this thing like one more time, I want this one. So you can see that these lines, the output is coming in separate line with the help of console.writeline. But if we want this thing in a single line, then we need to use console.write function instead of console.writeline. So here we are using in both console.writeline and console.write. So these three lines of output is coming with the help of console.writeline, and this is coming with the help of console.write.